Brad Williams, Excel primed, combined two unequal sized lists into a single new list with and without errors. This is a practice. I incorporated, or I mentioned, the error. In this particular case, we have HSTACK. We've done this. This will be the third example. Then the second within this particular lesson is without errors. We're going to incorporate this IFNA. Now, I particularly like IFERROR. I've been incorporating that for so many years. It just comes natural for me. What it does is you just set your parameters. Go in here, and if NA, in this particular case, if NA, you run in this NA error, you're going to throw in these blanks. You incorporate the if error. It will look at any particular error and incorporate whatever you've included into your formula. Here, if NA, HSTACK, C5, we're just grabbing our Lego blocks. Unequal size, doesn't matter. The unequal size is going to create the errors. Now, we could configure this a little differently and throw in some zeros. How would you do that? This unequal size, you would just go K, you would go down one extra row, you would go to K7 instead of K6. It will just create zeros, then you'd have to incorporate the if statement. Other than that, pull around, throw in an if error. You're going to see, for example, you do this, if error, through to NA. And you can see I accomplished the exact same goal. You got the zeros. Whatever your style, whatever your comfort zone, incorporate it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.